गोयच्या संस्कृतायेचे आनी दायजाचे संवर्धन करपाक 1 मे पासून लोकोत्सवाचें आयोजन केल्लें आसा. लोकोत्सव अंतर्गत राज्यांत वेगवेगळ्या सुवातांचेर विविध कार्यावळींचें आयोजन केलां. आर्डेक्सो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
Related to San Juan. So this year is a new festival. Before I came here, I've just been to Sukur, and we've just confirmed another San Juan festival starting at 11 in the morning. It's going to be a community festival of San Juan. No more jumping in the wells. We've got to protect our water. There's scarce water around the world. So anyway, June you've got that. In July we're going to try and do a fishing festival. August then is the Padoeje Fest. September you'll have Podaranje Fest. October you'll have Raporkaranje Fest, and so on. The series are beginning from the first till next year. So there could be up to 50 more festivals coming all around Goa. And most of them are people's festival. Yeah, it's to join communities together to empower people and festival of networking.
मे महिन्यात तो जायती फेस्टिवल ऑर्गनायज करतलो in collaboration with a new group called Uzwad, and this Uzwad, that is the Rays of Hope, is a young group founded by Sandra Pereira and Aarti Rane Sardesai. 5th of May, and all of you are invited. That festival is actually women empowerment festival. We call it Bailanche Fest. That is on 5th May. It will happen at Madkai Peaceful Society. Okay, Bharti Bandodkar of Peaceful Society is conducting it. So that is called Bailanche Fest, where all women who are in women entrepreneurs. They are in different aspects of economy. So some will have papad stalls and some pickle stalls. So all those women entrepreneurs will display their stuff. Plus they will share their experiences of life. So all of you should come there. Especially the women journalists who are here are invited at the Bailanche Fest on 5th of May at Madkai Peaceful Society.
Uzwad is a small group that me and Aarti Rane had started. And the term Uzwad itself, the name itself says that we are going to, throw a light on different social, environmental, cultural issues that we are facing. And we are thinking of, and we have been working, okay? We are having performing street plays in different places of Goa, and on suicide prevention, we had a small short film in order to prevent suicide. Okay, to create this awareness. Then we have been going into the South Goa, North Goa, everywhere. We are creating awareness about plastic, garbage, environmental issues, how to save the heritage and culture of Goa. Now, we have been working from last 5 to 6 years, but this group name was not given. But with the help of Sir Marius Fernandez and Sir Prajal Sakadande, we thought of making it into a group. Now we have around 25 students as well as people working from in different areas, and we have made this group in order to actually ingrain the values of environmental protection as well as love for heritage of Goa.